Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how we can add custom response header in EDS. So there can be many use cases where we need to add custom response header. For example, suppose we need to enable CORS, uh, cross origin resource sharing, right? So we may need to add a custom header for that. So basically, let me quickly explain what is CORS is. Suppose there's a site, maybe site A, which is trying to access some resource from our EDS site. Then our EDS site should have this site A added as a origin which can read the data from our site. So this can be added using response header, or if you want to add any other custom response header, that also can be added. Okay, and let me explain how we can add it. It's a simple process. So basically, in the previous tutorial where I explained how we can have like multiple metadata sheet, we created this configuration folder .helix. Okay, so this is a special folder which is like provide additional security, and whatever sheet is available here, they cannot be accessed as a JSON directly or publicly. Like normal, as I explained in the where I explained the spreadsheet in JSON, like whatever the spreadsheet that you created basically is rendered as a JSON in EDS. Basically, pipeline services convert or basically translate a JSON spreadsheet to JSON data, and then normally your doc to your HTML pages. So if I open this, I've already opened this. Okay, so here I already created this header sheet to save some time. So here there are this is like how we can add custom headers basically using these three columns, and the name of the columns are URL, key, and value. So URL is like it's a globe pattern where you can give the URL of like what all pages are applicable basically on what all pages this particular rule is applicable. Whatever pages qualified as per the regex, right? This uh, key will be the your header key or header name, and value will be the value will be header value. So, for example, if you see here, like I'm adding this particular header tutorial in all of our pages, and its values AMADZ. This is the example which I was talking about. Suppose there is a site, some imaginary site which is trying to access resources from our EDS site, right? So we should have this site added as a origin which can access resources, right? Otherwise, browser will block it and you will get error, cost related error. Okay, so these two are allowed at the, like you can say on all the pages, these two headers should be added. Okay, and then there are some specific, you can say section related response header which I mentioned here, so that you can see like if we have like a special response header that we need to add only on few particular pages, or maybe pages related to some particular section, that also can be done here. And this is basically the, whatever rules are present here, like all will be as per the URL. If like multiple rules are applicable, then like it will be merged, and then multiple all those headers will be added together. For example, suppose there's a article page, right? So in article page, you will see this particular header along with these two, because these are applicable for first two, basically applicable for all the pages. Similarly, if there are some any pages under blogs, right? So we will see EDS blog, this blog header along with the first two. We'll not see this article header because article header is only specific to article pages. So let me preview it. and you will see a special message here, configuration successfully activated, and you will not see this sheet open as a .json file. Normally, what happens in a normal spreadsheet, and then we want to check it on live pages, then let me publish it from here. Sorry, not the config file, header sheet. Once that is done, let me open our sheet, and I should publish this as well. And let me refresh it now. And if I show you here, you can see this tutorial. This is our index page. You can see so here you can see this header tutorial and access control allow origin site A. And this article and blog related custom, you can say the custom header are not added because these are not applicable on, these are only allowed under pages which are under articles or blog. So let me open any other page which is like maybe it's article page, article A1. Okay, let me publish, clear this and publish it also once. And if I see here, it is having this access control allow origin. Then you can see the extra custom header, which is a because these pages are under article, so that this rule is also applicable for these pages. And we have this tutorial. So the anyway tutorial and access control allow origin will be like added on all the pages as per our rule. Okay, and you don't see that blogs header here. It should come under for the blog pages. So let me open the blog page. So this this header is here, access control one. Then we have this tutorial, and there should be one related to blog. Here it is. Okay, so you see. Okay, so that's how we can add a custom header in EDS. Thanks.